Ever start a project thinking it'll take an hour, and then 3 YouTube tutorials later, you're still figuring out step 1? Same. That's why here on Value Bite, we skip the fluff and show you real tools and smart gadgets that make woodworking actually easier. If you build, carve, or fix anything, hit subscribe and stay sharp. Let's get into it. This isn't your average saw. This thing's a monster. The Undercut Jam Saw packs a 2.5 horsepower motor that slices through wood, tile, and even concrete like butter. It's got 2 alloy blades and a diamond blade, plus a height adjust system that keeps every cut perfectly level. Need clean edges against walls or floors? This beast does it flawlessly. Built tough, built precise. This saw means business. You ever tried drilling into concrete and your regular drill just gives up? That's where the no-cordless rotary hammer flexes hard. It smashes through concrete, metal, or wood. With a brutal 4,500 beats per minute impact rate. 4 modes: drill, hammer, chisel, and combo. All cordless, all power. Built tough, brushless, and unstoppable. This thing means business. Tired of your wood panels warping or joints never lining up right? These Rockler Mini Deluxe panel clamps fix that instantly. They apply 4-way pressure, pulling every joint tight and keeping panels perfectly flat. Built from heavy steel, compact, and crazy precise. They turn small woodworking projects into pro-level builds. Tired of your shop vac choking on dust every 5 minutes? Meet the Dustopper. It traps 99.9% of dust before it even hits your vacuum. No clogged filters, no power loss, just clean, powerful suction every time. It even works with wood chips, water, or pet hair. This thing's a total workshop lifesaver. Cutting wood with a shaky old jigsaw? Forget it. This cordless, brushless jigsaw is a total game changer. It's got a brushless copper motor for smooth, powerful cuts. No heat, no burnout. Switch between 3-speed modes and 4-stroke levels for perfect control. It even blows sawdust away while cutting, so your line stays crystal clear. Straight or 45-degree angles. This thing cuts clean, fast, and pro every time. You line up your dowel holes, drill them, and they still don't match. Meet the Milescraft Joint Master, the self-clamping jig that auto-align and drills perfect dowel holes every time. Built from solid aluminum with steel bushings, it's rock solid, precise, and fast. Edge, corner, or surface joints. This thing nails them all. Once you use it, you'll never guess your holes again. You ever grab a cheap drill and it dies halfway through the job? That's why pros are switching to the lethal 20-volt cordless drill. It's got serious torque, 18+1 precision settings, and a metal keyless chuck for instant bit swaps. Fast charges in just 1 hour and powers through wood, metal, or plastic like butter. Small size, big punch. This thing feels premium the moment you pull the trigger. Ever tried cutting mortises by hand and ended up with a wobbly mess? That's where the Kreg MortiseMate changes the game. It drills perfect clean mortises using just a regular drill. Auto-indexing, laser-marked, and dead precise. Every joint locks like a dream. Strong, simple, and stupid accurate. This jig makes pro joinery effortless. One saw that replaces 8. Yeah, this thing's wild. The 8-in-1 multi-blade hand saw swaps blades in seconds. Wood, metal, drywall, plastic. It cuts everything. Built with high-speed steel blades and a lockback grip, it's compact, tough, and crazy versatile. From home repairs to pro jobs, this little beast does it all. Fast, clean, and smooth. You ever try holding 2 boards at a perfect 90 degrees and they just slip? That's where these corner clamps save your sanity. They auto-align, self-adjust, and lock your wood dead square every single time. Made from solid aluminum alloy, they're tough, rust-proof, and stupid precise. Frame, drawer, or cabinet. These clamps make every corner flawless. Lifting glass or tiles by hand? Forget it. The SEESII electric suction cup does it all for you. Pulling up to 440 pounds with pure vacuum power. It grips in 3 seconds, auto-adjusts pressure, and shows it all on an LED display. Use it on glass, stone, or metal. It sticks like magic. With dual safety buttons and two 21-volt batteries, this beast turns heavy lifting into one-hand control. Cutting tiny wood or metal pieces with a full-size saw. Total pain. The HATMEK Mini Hacksaw with miter box is built for precision. It cuts perfect 45, 90, and 135-degree angles. Clean, smooth, and fast. The bimetal blade slices through wood, metal, and plastic like butter. Compact, lightweight, and super accurate. This little saw punches way above its size. Ever tried removing old flooring stuck under cabinets? Total nightmare, right? This toe kick saw changes the game. It cuts flush against walls or cabinets with insane precision. Comes with alloy blades for wood and a diamond blade for tile, turning impossible cuts into clean, perfect lines. Laying big tiles alone, this tool makes it stupid easy. The SEESII cordless tile vibration tool locks onto tiles with 130 pounds of suction, holds them firm, and levels them perfectly. It's got 5 adjustable speeds, a digital display, and runs 4 to 6 hours on 2 22-volt batteries. No wires, no stress, just flawless one-hand tile work every time. Once you try it, you'll never lay tiles the old way again. This Doberman 10-inch sliding miter saw is built for people who actually build. Dual speed mode lets you switch from clean wood cuts to PVC or soft metal instantly. The laser guide locks your line dead straight. The 13-inch slide gives you huge 4x13 cuts. And those TCT blades, they rip through material like butter. Ambidextrous controls, a 15-amp copper motor, extendable tables. This thing is basically a mini pro shop on your bench. These Bora Jobhorse brackets let you build a rock-solid sawhorse in minutes. Just drop in 2x4s and lock the legs with a foot tap. The thick steel plates hold up to 1,000 pounds, and the angled teeth bite into the wood so it doesn't move an inch. And the flat steel feet, they stay stable on grass, gravel, uneven ground, anything. If you want a portable workstation that feels pro-level without the price tag, this is the cheat code. If you're into DIY at all, this tiny tool is going to blow your mind. This is the Hardell Mini Rotary tool. Literally the size of a marker, but it handles cutting, engraving, polishing, all of it. You get a digital speed display, so you dial in exact speed. Slow for detail work, fast for grinding. It's super lightweight, Type-C rechargeable, and comes with a full kit of accessories for small fixes, crafts, or quick cuts. This thing replaces an entire toolbox. If you've ever tried breaking down a pallet, you know the pain. Nails everywhere, wood splitting, blades dying in seconds. But this blade, the EZARC pallet repair blade, this thing is built different. It has a reverse tip that stops it from jamming, bending, or snapping, even inside nail-embedded wood. The 1014 TPI teeth cut clean, smooth, and fast. No vibration, no fighting the saw. If you fix pallets, flip furniture, or salvage wood. This blade is literally a cheat code. This is the Works Compact Circular Saw. Light enough for one-hand cuts, but strong enough to rip straight through 2-inch lumber. You press one lever to set your depth. Twist the angle for clean 45-degree bevels, and the dust port keeps your line crystal clear. Blade changes take seconds, and the whole thing feels insanely controlled and safe. For quick home cuts, DIY builds, or tight spaces, this little saw works like a full-size beast. This is the Pack Tool Snapper Shear Pro. Just clip it onto any 18-volt drill, and suddenly you're slicing hardy backer. Like it's cardboard. It rotates 360 degrees, so you can do straight cuts, tight curves, even perfect circles for outlets and toilet flanges. And the best part, it kicks up almost no dust. So you see what you're doing, and you're not breathing in junk for bathroom renos, siding installs, or weird corner cuts. This tool is straight up a game changer. This is the going make miter gauge built for dead accurate cuts without touching a single measurement. You get a micro-adjust flip stop that dials accuracy down to 0.001 inch. Plus, instant angle stops for perfect miters every time. The fence extends out to 36 inches, so long crosscuts stay perfectly straight. And the zero fit bar slides smooth with no wiggle like a professional track system. If you're tired of crooked cuts or cheap gauges, this is the upgrade that fixes everything. This is the Milescraft Track Saw Guide, and it basically turns your normal circular saw into a laser straight track saw. You just drop your saw on the aluminum base, line up the red strip with your cut, and boom! Perfect 50-inch cuts. Zero wobble, zero splinters. The anti-slip rails lock down. The guide stays dead straight, and you cut doors, sheets, anything with pro-level accuracy. If you hate freehand fails, this is the upgrade. I legit didn't trust this tool until it saved my door. This KA door lock kit basically turns a messy job into a clean pro-level install. You snap the guide on, lock your size, and boom! Perfect holes in seconds. The carbon steel saw cuts smooth. No tear out, no guessing, no mistakes. For rentals, remodels, or first-timers, this thing just makes the whole lock install stupid easy. If you do any DIY at all, this little sander is going to surprise you. It's a 360-watt Orbital Sander with 6-speed settings, so you can go gentle on detail work or crank it for heavy paint removal. And the dust system actually works, keeps your space clean while you sand. It's lightweight, super easy to control, and comes with 15 sanding discs for every type of job. For furniture flips, smoothing wood, or stripping finishes, this thing makes the job stupid easy. You ever try fixing one tiny wood detail and suddenly you're hooked? That's exactly what happened when I grabbed this WP dual pen wood burning kit. One pen for detailing, one for shading. Switch in one click. It heats fast, burns clean, and feels like drawing with fire, but controlled. No tip swapping, no slowdown, just smooth pro-level wood art in minutes. If you want your designs to look way better with zero struggle. These Bora-wide panel supports turn your centipede stand into a rock-solid cutting platform. They lock in with a simple drop-in post. Swivel 360 degrees, so you can place support exactly where you need it. And that non-skid surface grips your wood so it doesn't slide, shift, or crash through the gaps. They're tough, they're fast, and they make solo cutting feel stupid easy. If you use a centipede, these are the upgrade you didn't know you needed. This is the PowerTech Tandem Featherboard, your extra set of hands that never slips, never flinches, and keeps every cut locked on track. You mount it to your table saw or rotor table, and it presses the wood tight against the fence, so no drifting, no wobble, and way less kickback. It's got a reversible design, fits both miter slots and Tara, and the pressure stays perfectly even the whole cut. For cleaner cuts and way safer woodworking, this is one upgrade you don't skip. If you've ever tried cutting wood with a weak chainsaw, this one will feel illegal. It's a 12-inch cordless beast with a 4.0 ampere battery that actually lasts. Plus, a brushless motor that hits harder than the old school ones. The smart LED display tells you battery errors and modes. Power mode for fast cuts, eco for longer jobs, tool-free chain tensioning, automatic oiling, and a gripping claw that locks into the wood so it doesn't kick back. For pruning, firewood, or cutting thick logs, this thing is pure cheat code power. These man-ram cabinet clamps turn you into a one-man pro crew. They pull, align, tighten, and let you pre-drill without ever moving the clamp. Flip the built-in drill guide. Drop your pilot hole. Drive the screw. Done. Felt pads protect your finish. The 4-inch capacity handles most frames, and the 300 to 600 pound force keeps everything locked dead straight. All right, that's today's lineup of woodworking tools. Simple, smart, and honestly, total game changers. If you found even one tool you like, make sure you smash that subscribe button for more drops just like this on Value Bite. And don't forget, every tool you saw is linked down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.